This Hobson Realtors property video is presented by Jennifer and Joel Hobson. 3-bedroom brick traditional on large 95x175 lot in sought-after and quiet East Memphis location. Very little traffic and surrounded by similar homes and many newer much bigger homes in place of teardowns. Wonderful 22-screen porch overlooks spacious backyard. Beautiful hardwood floors. Fully equipped kitchen with all appliances. Central HVAC. Close to many great public and private schools. 3rd bedroom can be den, if desired. For more information, review the details below or contact Jennifer and Joel Hobson at 901-761-1622.